All right. Welcome back, everybody. So we are working on the Vans practice kit. And here I'm working on step 4 and step 5. So you'll see me riveting using the tungsten bucking bar back there. And I'm riveting the holes. Rivet the reinforcement plates and the ribs to the spar, and that forms the skeleton. This is step 5 in the practice kit. So here we're using 470 rivets, which are the round head rivets, and those gold or brass looking things that are sticking out of the aluminum. Those are clecos. Clecos hold everything together before you rivet it. And then that little bar that you see there next to the rivet gun, little silver bar that you'll see me pick up, stick behind the on the other side of the rivet gun. That's a tungsten bucking bar. It's very dense, pretty heavy, and helps form the rivet, the shop head side of the rivet. So there's a shop head side and a what's the other called? It's a manufacturing side. Manufactured side is the one that comes preformed. So it's either flat or round. In this case, they're round rivets. And then it could be a flat rivet or a flush rivet. And you can see those in the skins. So in a previous step, I riveted those stiffeners on, those things in the middle of those skins. So right now I'm clecoing the skins to the frame, which we just riveted together. So these clecos act as fasteners. So they'll hold, the items together while you either match drill, which is what I'm doing here. And what match drill does is it, drills the same hole through both pieces. So then the rivet can stick through it without moving around a whole lot. So in this case, this is a number 40 drill set for a smaller set of rivets. And there you see me taking the rivet tape off from the original riveting that I did for back on I think that was step 3. So this is step 6, cleco the skins to the skeleton with clecos in every other hole. And then drill the holes out and cleco as you go. So step 7 is next. And that's where we will clamp and drill the trailing edge. And you'll see me at the end of this video here in a few seconds. Now I'm putting that trailing edge in there and thinking I would clamp it down, but that's that trailing edge right there. And what's going to have to happen is I'm going to figure out how to clamp that down and then drill through it. And that'll be an interesting end to that or interesting step because I haven't done that before. So I'm going to go back and you'll see me here. I'm looking for the instructions on how to do that particular skill because it's at an angle and I'm going to have to rivet a little differently than I have in the past. So I'm going to go research that and look forward to the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.